In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress error 404 quickly and step by step. If you're seeing a 404 error on your WordPress site, whether it's on posts, pages, or even your login screen, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the safest and most effective methods to get your site back up and running. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, start with your WordPress dashboard. Log into your admin area by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first and most common fix is to reset your permalinks. This alone solves the majority of WordPress 404 errors. To do this, go to Settings in the left-hand menu, then click on Permalinks. You'll see your current permalink structure, whether it's set to postname, plain, or another format. Now here's the important part. Without changing anything, scroll down and click Save Changes. What this does is force WordPress to flush and regenerate its rewrite rules, which often fixes broken links that are causing the 404 error. After clicking Save Changes, go back to your site and refresh the page that was showing the 404 error. In many cases, the problem will already be fixed. If it's not fixed yet, go back to the Permalinks page, temporarily change the structure to plain, click Save Changes, then switch it back to your preferred option like postname, and click Save Changes again. This double refresh can help regenerate the rewrite rules properly. If resetting permalinks didn't solve the issue, the next step is to manually repair your htaccess file. Sometimes the htaccess file becomes corrupted or write protected, which prevents WordPress from updating it automatically. To fix this, access your website using FTP or your hosting provider's file manager. Go to your root directory, which is usually called public_html. Inside that folder, locate the file named htaccess. If you don't see it, make sure hidden files are enabled. Once you find it, rename the file to something like .htaccess_old. This effectively disables the old file. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard, return to Settings and Permalinks, and click Save Changes again. WordPress will automatically generate a brand new .htaccess file with the correct rewrite rules. Then check your site again to see if the 404 error is resolved. If you're still experiencing the issue, the next thing to verify is your login URL and file permissions. If you're using a security plugin, it may have changed your default login path from wp-admin or wp-login.php to something custom. Make sure you're using the correct login URL. Next, check your file permissions. Using FTP or File Manager, confirm that folders like wp-admin have permissions set to 755, and files like wp-login.php are set to 644. Incorrect permissions can block access and trigger 404 errors. Finally, if none of those steps work, the issue could be caused by a plugin or theme conflict. To test for a plugin conflict, go to your WP content folder and rename the plugins folder to plugins old. This will automatically deactivate all plugins. Now refresh your site. If the 404 error disappears, then one of your plugins is the problem. Rename the folder back to plugins and reactivate each plugin one by one from the dashboard until you find the one causing the issue. If the problem still isn't fixed, test your theme. Go to the WP content folder, then open the themes directory. Rename your active themes folder. WordPress will automatically switch to a default theme like 2021. If this resolves the 404 error, then your theme was the cause and may need updating or replacing. And that's it. That's how to fix WordPress error 404 step by step, whether it's caused by permalinks, a corrupted htaccess file, file permissions, plugins, or your theme. Follow these methods carefully, and you should be able to resolve the issue in most cases without touching any complex code. If this tutorial helped you fix your WordPress error 404, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.